Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a new hard disk to your Ubuntu server on VirtualBox. So you have to click on the settings. Now you have to go to the storage, click this icon on the bottom, add attachment. Next you click hard disk. Here you click add, create. We don't change anything here, we're just gonna click next. Here you can change the size of this new hard disk. I will not change size, so I'm gonna just click finish. Now I'm gonna click choose. Okay, and as you can see here, it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.